You're watching All Things Antonia. I hope you subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. In today's video, I just wanted to do something a little different. I actually just wanted to come on here and just talk to you. I've been gone from YouTube for a little while. I've been MIA, actually, to be honest. But there's a reason for that, and so if you're interested and if you've been wondering where I've been, then just keep watching. Okay, so I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm going to try to not ramble throughout this whole thing. But first I want to say thank you for clicking on this video, and yeah, I'm just going to get right into it. So yes, I have been MIA from YouTube for a while, and if you have been watching my videos previously, about a month or 2 months ago, I can't remember, I think it was one of my fall Dollar Tree hauls that I did. I mentioned in that video, because I had been gone a while before I put that video up, I mentioned in that video that I am working on something and that it was consuming me, my time, my thoughts, my energy, everything. So yes, so now I can tell you that I was in the process of looking for a new home. I was looking to purchase a house, and so now I can finally say that I am officially a homeowner. Yes, I am a first-time homeowner, and so that is what I was working on. It literally took all of my time, energy, efforts, everything that I had outside of my 9-to-5 job. That was time spent house hunting and doing everything to prepare to purchase a house. And yeah, so I'm so excited. I am currently in my new home right now, and yeah, so you're gonna see some different backgrounds for a while until I figure out my new space and where I'm gonna be filming most of the time. And you'll probably see some new decor, something along those lines, probably in some new videos as far as different types of hauls. Instead of Dollar Tree hauls, it'll probably be you know, something having to do with decorating a home. But yes, I'm so excited. I feel so blessed, thankful for just being able to do this at this point. And yeah, so that's what I was working on. That's what was keeping me from being able to film as much as I wanted to. There were many days that I was like, oh, I need to film a video, but I have to go look at this house, I have to meet with my realtor, I have to do this and that and that. I have learned so much throughout this process. So I'm actually thankful for the process, because going forward in the future, when I purchase my next home somewhere down the line, that you know, I'll have that knowledge, so going into it won't be as stressful. But yeah, so I'm thankful for the ups, the downs, the good, the bad, that got me to the point where I'm at right now. So yes, it was all worth it. And what else have I been doing? I've only been in the house now for about 2 weeks, so I'm still putting things away and finding a new place to put everything in this new space. So yeah, that's been taking up a lot of my time lately. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will say also, I had a birthday recently, so there's that. That's something else that I've been doing. I had a birthday. I'm a year older. My birthday was on Friday, October the 12th, and so I'm just thankful for another year of life. and I'm looking forward to what this new year is going to bring me in my life. And yeah, so one thing I will say also, the beginning of this year, 2018, I wrote down a message to myself, just jotting down my goals for the year, things I wanted to accomplish. And over the summer, I revisited that list and was like, where am I at? Am I accomplishing my goals? We are halfway through the year. What's going on? So, that was my way of keeping myself accountable and holding myself accountable for what I said I wanted to do. Nobody's gonna make you achieve your goals unless you do it yourself. So that's what I did, and I would say I seriously started looking for a house over the summer. So it took a while to find what I liked in my price range, in a location that I liked. It's a lot that goes into it, but I've been planning this for a while as well. So you don't just up and say, I'm gonna buy a house today. There's a lot of preparation, a lot of saving, a lot of planning that goes into it. So that's what I've been up to. I have definitely missed YouTube. I've missed filming. I've missed just communicating back and forth with you guys, my subscribers. And so yes, I am back and I'm ready to put more content out there. If you're watching this and you have not subscribed to my channel, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to my channel today. And yeah, for my returning subscribers, again, I appreciate you so much for coming back for another video, for sticking with me throughout my hiatus. And yeah, so that's all I wanted to say. I just wanted to catch you guys up. I did post a Dollar Tree haul video. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and check that video out. I just posted it the other day. I'm not really sure when this video is gonna go up, but yes, I didn't want to just put that video up and pretend like I haven't been gone for weeks. And so I just wanted to let you guys know that I didn't forget about you. I was always thinking about my YouTube channel and my subscribers all along. It's just sometimes you have to handle some other things. And now I'm back and I'm ready to just get back on my regular filming schedule and my posting schedule. And just thank you for going on this journey with me and being patient with me. So yeah, I'm not gonna make this video super duper long. If you have any questions for me though, I would love for you to leave me a comment down below, ask me some questions. And yeah, happy fall. I want to do some fall related videos. So yeah, I'm just so excited. I have so many video ideas in my head that I haven't been able to post. So I'm gonna get those videos done, get those posted and out to you guys. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.